All right, good morning, everybody. I am in Toronto. Let's do the quick recap for the trade that I did. I unfortunately arrived really late in the airport in Toronto. I actually slept inside the airport in a hotel and woke up a little bit late. And just Now I'm going to head actually to Money Show for the conference.
Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel.
But what I saw this morning was very, very interesting, and I quickly managed to scalp $1,300 here. So that was a pretty good trade for me, and I'm going to explain that to you. I still have JEPQ and SSO. The market is bouncing back from the losses yesterday, so they essentially bought the dip, so that's pretty good. But let's see actually what we did on the market. So what happened here was that I saw that the Tesla is always on my watch list. So Tesla at the open really had a very nice solid 1 minute pre-range breakout for the break of high of pre-market. I would have probably taken that trade really nice if I was trading. Unfortunately, I wasn't trading in that time. And I came and I saw the double top and then sold off below the VWAP. So the blue line is the VWAP. I saw the moving averages and I saw this level of 250, 275. And usually you can expect a bounce when the stock is very strong. Usually you can expect a bounce. So I went long here with the stop loss just below this 250, 275 level, pop up to the VWAP. I partialed out, another squeeze above the VWAP. I got out more, and then it sudden drop, and I got stopped out at the break even. And again, for those of you who know how I trade, the trade management is extremely important. So if this is your risk and you're still partialing at 1 or 2 hour, so this is probably around 2 hour, and then you completely get out at the break even, which was exactly my point of the break even. As soon as I got out, it was unfortunate because it came back up all the way up to 255.50, and but that's okay. I'd rather to stick to my trading. I think. There was a Thor traded at the open. I think Thor shorted Tesla around here, came out, and then eventually got stopped out. So that was one trade that I did. But overall, I think for a 5 minutes, essentially really from 9:55 to 10:05 for 15-minute work that I just woke up and I'm gonna really heading out, it was not a really bad trade. So as you see here, $1,300 for a quick scalp. It wasn't a really bad trade, especially that I'm on travel, just a laptop, and really not ready for a big trade. So market overall bouncing back, and that's good news. So again, if you look at the 5 minute chart as well here, so when you actually had such a massive run and some sort of a consolidation, when you drop these moving averages, some sort of a 920, but on a 5 minute chart. So you buy the 20 moving average and 9, usually you can get a quick bounce and scalp here. Sometimes you don't, but because this was a very, very strong move, I'm kind of expecting that it can bounce back. I don't have really a nice trade book on it, but sometimes you can trade based on the experience, and I said that okay, this potentially can be a level of bounce, and it did bounce. So okay, guys, I'm in Toronto, so make sure that we put the link for social meetup tomorrow. Drinks on me, guys, free, and we have a booth also in Money Show. Brian is already there, Paris is already there, Humble Trader is already there, so she just messaged me and I'm gonna see her. So it's gonna be a really, really amazing event, guys. Thank you so much, and if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and I personally check the comments, and if you have any question, email me andrew@rebeltraders.com. So now what I see here is, unfortunately, I think Tesla might actually go back for the high of the day. S&P 500, yeah, it's just running up. It really recovering all the gains that we had. So again, this is the price action of the bull market. All the dips are being bought back up. As you see, we're gonna go back to about 450. It seems very soon. QQQ is also going up very nice. So it seems like the dips are really being bought back up. Thank you, guys. Have a good day and all the best.